everybody! So today I'm going to take you through how to kind of make paper look like vellum. So the first thing that you're going to need is some baking tray paper or something to protect your actual surface. You're going to want some inks. Now I'm using distress ink. You can use tea or a coffee spray. This part isn't necessarily required, and I do mess it up a fair amount, but just be aware you can kind of fix it later if you want to. The thinner the PC paper, the better, I will be honest. Don't do what I do and mess up like that. Just don't. Only do that if you have a particularly dry ink paper. So the idea behind this is that we're going to make copy paper look old, worn, torn, kind of like it's made more out of leather and it's see-through and crumply. Not leather, vellum, which is technically leather because it's still skin. The key ingredient, which I will show you in a moment, is baby oil. So what you're going to need is an old paintbrush, some baby oil, pour it on, and completely and utterly soak all of the fibres on both sides of the paper. As you can already as you can already see, it starts to look very translucent and very different. This is why you need some baking paper or plastic bag or something covering your work surface. Really rub it in there with your hands and be aware that it's gonna come off. It's gonna make a mess. Then you want to take a cloth or something. I'm using toilet paper because I had a load of it spare, and just wipe it down to get all the excess oil off. You do want to wipe down your surface as well, or fold it in half as I do, to make sure you don't keep reapplying that oil. Then get a heat tool, like this heat tool, or a hairdryer or something else, and just kind of dry it off. A step that I don't show you, that I do, and I thought I did show you, is I got hold of some clear sealant. I suppose it's not 100% required, but yeah, get hold of some clear sealant, take it outside and spray it, and that gives it a nice crisp coating and also stops some of the oil coming off again later. What you will want to do next is literally, decorate the paper underneath your soon-to-be see-through vellum sheet. You can put some decorations and designs, but I didn't want to do it under the map page. I may do it under other pages. There are other things you can do, like writing, all sorts of stuff like that. That's really cool. So once you've done this, I do also add a little bit down the middle to stop the paper from coming off, so you can't see the paper anymore. Okay, just glue it down with like just some simple paper. Trick stick. Oh, don't forget to cut it down first, obviously. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you with this, and that is a very quick and simple tutorial on how to make some vellum paper. Hope you enjoy.